Well, hello again, everyone. Welcome back to Uncivil Law. I swear I'm trying to produce a video responding to legal, but other things are crossing my desk and grabbing my attention. I'm also working on a motion relating to my own case, or the case I'm representing some clients in the Western District. So I'm actually trying to do some work. I'm trying to write a motion. I'm trying to work on my legal video. And I can't get anything done because the stupid just hurts. So we just did some ice stupid, but I thought, for the sake of, talking about other people being stupid, we do some social justice warrior stupid. Now, this feels a little like low-hanging fruit, guys, because I believe generally that law enforcement does a good job. I genuinely believe this. I am generally pro-law enforcement. I like it when law enforcement enforces our laws. I'm not anti-cop. I like cops, but sometimes cops don't fuck up. It happens. Everyone does fucks up. Okay, cops are human beings, and sometimes the cops do fuck up. And when they do, I'm like, yeah, that cop done fucked up. Even if sometimes you guys are like fighting me on it. But cops do fuck up. But lest you think I'm anti-cop, which I am totally not, let's do a situation in which the cops are completely doing the right thing. And let's make fun of the social justice warrior. Because I feel like I've been doing a little anti-cop thing recently, and that's not my brand. I'm not anti-cop. So let's do a little pro-cop right now. Okay, let's do this little pro-cop and restore a little balance to the force. That sounds like fun. Now, I did see this video from Asmongold, but I only got like a minute into it. And I'm like, guys, I have to do this myself. So I got the idea from Asmongold, but I'm like, this is what I need. I need a little amuse-bouche. I need a little palate refresher. I need a little something. And so I thought we'd do this. So we're going to watch some real peak social justice warrior stupid. And I thought that'd be great. All right, so let's watch this bullshit.
What are you doing?
Hold on. Yeah, change the audio source. All right, great.
That is the worst fake seizure I have ever seen. Knock it off.
You're having a seizure. I want to make sure you're okay. Breathe.
I don't know if you know this, but people are out there making fake body cam videos now. When I first saw this, it was so comical, I thought for sure it must be fake. But nope, it's real. I got the footage and edited it down to a nice, watchable format, so I hope you enjoy. We'll start as a man tells an officer about a strange woman walking around a neighborhood dressed as a UPS driver.
And you say he's been around there for about 8 hours messing around?
Been down there since this morning.
And you've never seen him before in the neighborhood?
Uh-huh.
All right, we'll go chat with him.
Thank you.
Are you associated with that black car over there? Because we got a suspicious person call. Do you live around here?
Oh, that black car right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm sorry.
Okay. Do you live around here?
No, I'm going door to door. I'm doing a photography thing.
How long have you been parked over there?
Like 30 minutes.
You haven't been parked there for 8 hours?
No, not at all.
Do you have some ID on you?
Did I do anything wrong?
It's about to get towed.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I literally got here. I can show you.
Do you want to give us your...
Do you have your ID or not? So you're being audio video recorded.
Oh, yeah.
Is this your house?
No, I'm going door to door.
Do you see there no soliciting sign? Yeah, come on, step over here. How come you're dressed in a UPS unit?
Yeah, it's from 2025. It's from a year ago, but that's okay. Sometimes body camera footage, pops up for whatever reason. Also, sometimes it's not released instantly. So sometimes it takes a while to percolate. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, it's from a year ago, but that's cool. I have no problem with that. Let's go.
Uniform.
It's a joke. It's about...
Yeah, get your ID out. It's very funny. Sit down. This isn't Seattle. Get your ID out.
My ID is in my car.
Okay. Put your hands on the truck like you told me.
Sir, I'm not...
Nose ring theory remains undefeated. Please don't get a septum piercing. I don't know who thinks it's a good look. It's not. Holy shit. Although I do appreciate them branding themselves and letting me know to avoid. So maybe I should be encouraging it. I don't know.
Put your hands on there.
Hold on.
I'll tell you what you look like. You look like a prowler.
What is a prowler?
Put your hands on there. You're going to get dumped on the ground. You understand that?
Right there.
What's all this? Is this a weapon?
No.
Put your fucking hands on there.
Okay.
You want to go on the fucking
I'm
ground?
Sorry, sir.
Knock it off.
I'm sorry.
Oh, pardon, look at this. You're getting detained.
Hands behind your back. Is that a fucking gun? What is that?
I don't know. I found it.
Are you a felon?
No, yes. I didn't know that.
Are you a felon? No, yes. The comedy writes itself.
Oh, look at that. A felon in possession of a
I
firearm.
didn't know that there was like a real gun. I've never
I didn't know it was like a real gun.
seen a gun that small. I just found it, sir.
I just found it. Wow. This is great. Sure. Uh-huh.
All right. What are you doing?
That is the worst fake seizure I have ever seen. Knock it off.
Snap out of it. You're having a seizure. I want to make sure you're okay.
Stop!
Breathe. Breathe. Oh,
You stop pretending to have a
you don't have a
seizure.
seizure.
You're not having a seizure.
I can't breathe. I have seizures.
You kick me again, I'm gonna arrest you for assault third degree. You're kicking me. Stop. Oh, partner, I found some dope too.
Shocking.
Ah.
I'm still trying to figure out how to unload this.
I'm not kidding, I promise.
What's the problem with you?
I can't breathe.
Well, now your car's
Just take some slow, deep breaths. Did you get a good frisk? Make sure she.
No, I'm still working on it because I don't want to get poked or stuck or shot.
I know. Not that.
Then what is it? Snap out of it. What is
I'm
it?
trying to.
What's the matter?
Hey, partner, I think we should need Narcan. Looks like she's playing dead now.
That's a good point. I think I have Narcan.
That's good shit. We need Narcan because she's playing dead. I love these cops right now. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. It's like I appreciate them making fun of the stupid. This is great. I'm 100% here for it. 10 out of 10. Would hire these cops again. Fantastic.
In the back.
Oh, you're not dead. Now you can speak, okay? So are you going to stop being stupid or what?
No, that's
So
probably
do you
not
need this
happening.
Narcan or not? So I won't waste my life-saving medical supplies on this bullshit.
I don't know where the heck you think you are. We're not in Seattle. Just let me talk. Let me talk.
I found that, you guys. Like, I didn't know it was a real gun. It doesn't look like anything.
You just found it and you decide to put it on you and carry it around. And that's totally normal. That's totally a normal thing. Yeah, I mean, who hasn't among us just been randomly walking around and spotted a gun and then just decided to start carrying it? That's a totally normal experience, right? Right? Yeah.
Thing I've ever seen. I did 11 years in prison.
And you think I should be like, wow, you did 11 years in prison. That's amazing. That's great. Obviously, 11 years wasn't long enough for you to learn.
Listen, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the
I don't want to talk to you. You pissed me the fuck off. You had a gun. You're a felon. You're faking stuff. Now the fire department's going to come over here. These people are taxpayers. You're wasting their time and money. So how about you talk to my partner, be honest, with your rights in mind.
So let's start with question one. You don't live here. Why are you walking around on people's houses dressed like a UPS driver?
I went to go check out and see what the burnt house looked like.
The burnt house.
I was just looking at the
Also,
burnt
what is with this tattoo? If anyone can explain this on any level, I'd appreciate it. First of all, the hope on the neck is not really doing anything for me. Second of all, what is this supposed to be on her chin? It looks like some sort of bird feather. Who decided this was a good idea? This woman, apparently, but she spent 11 years in prison. So apparently she has a penchant for making poor decisions. Okay, pressing on.
house.
Okay.
I didn't break in.
You were going into the burnt house?
I didn't go in.
Why is it your house?
No, I just heard about it. They said it was super fried, and I just wanted to look at it.
How long have you been here?
Literally, I promise you, like an hour and a half tops.
Okay. So the people that say
an hour and a half.
8 hours are lying to me.
I promise on everything. Like, I'm not going to lie to you again.
Where'd you get the UPS costume?
I'm not going to lie to you again. Okay.
My friend had it.
Why are you wearing it?
I just feel like people won't like look at me. I just wanted to
So to conceal your presence in the neighborhood, you're dressed like a UPS driver.
Well, yeah, but
so what are you doing that you're not supposed to be doing if you need to dress in a disguise?
Well, I just didn't want it to draw any attention when I was looking at the house.
Where did you get this gun?
I promise you, I didn't know it was real, sir.
Where'd you get it?
Over there.
Over where?
By Brady Park. I did not know that was real, sir.
Okay.
I'm a felon, and
Yeah, it's real. It's loaded.
Sir,
So why are you carrying it around on you?
I was just gonna sell it or something. I thought it was like an ivory antique or something. I didn't even know how to open it.
So here's the problem we have.
The juror in me is having a hard time buying literally any of this. Having a real tough time taking this woman credibly. Sure. Okay. Yeah, that definitely happened. Okay.
Okay, is you're in a neighborhood you don't live in, dressed in disguise with a loaded gun in your pocket, wearing gloves, with a face mask on, dressed like a UPS driver. What the fuck are you doing?
I don't know. I'm bored. I don't have any
You're
friends.
bored?
No.
It looks like you're fixing to kidnap somebody.
Sir, I promise. I promise. I just don't know how to...
Are you the owner? Are you the owner of the burnt down house?
Yes,
Okay.
and we've gotten stolen from. A Capadena was here last time.
Yep.
And my purse was on the thing. That's the person that knocked down our camera and same bag, everything.
Okay. Did she go into the house today?
Right there.
She go inside?
Not inside today. We didn't see that, but look what she did.
Okay.
I already searched through most of this. This is burglar's tools. Yeah. If you want to just tow the car to the precinct for a warrant, I'll take her down to the jail. And then
Yeah, so we're going to tow the car, and then we're going to do an inventory search of the car, and that could lead to new and exciting discovery.
All right.
That's great, man. That's great. What a great and funny police department. They recognize the absurdity of it all, and they're having a little fun with it. And I'm here for it. I'm here for the fun of having all the stupid, and the stupid is incredibly, incredibly real. Now let's see if we can find out any more about this person from the comments, like who this is. And okay, wait, actually there's an easier. I'll just ask ChatGPT to identify it based on the time and date. That'll make my life easier. Okay, so this is Pierce County. I am looking for an arrest of a woman in Pierce County that occurred on Feb the 16th of 2025 involving a woman dressed up as a UPS driver who had a gun, looking for charging information and any case resolution. Great. Let's see what Gemini says. Identify this video. Probably faster than me trying to look for it, to be honest. I love you guys, by the way. Even sometimes when you drive me a little crazy, but that's okay. Okay, this is Heather Bevere. We'll see if we can put this on screen so you can share in the glory that is Gemini. All right. So here's what Gemini says about the incident. Date, February 16th, 2025. Location, 122nd Street East in South Hill of Pierce County. Suspect, Heather Bevere, 37. That's a rough 37, man. The incident. Bevere was reported by neighbors for prowling around cars and backyards while dressed as a UPS driver. She's wearing a brown jacket with UPS logo and fake badge. The arrest. When deputies confronted her, she claimed she was doing a photograph thing. Upon searching her Deputies found bulges in her pockets which contained a loaded Dellinger pistol, methamphetamine, burglary tools, including pliers, bolt cutters, window punch, and shaved keys. Oh, I'm just here looking. I'm just here looking around. Uh-huh. Sure. A police scanner app she was using to monitor law enforcement, and during the search, she faked a seizure. Additional finding, a subsequent search of her vehicle revealed a significant cache of suspected stolen property, including Social Security cards and personal information for approximately 25 different people, a vintage stamp and comic book collection, so she might have done a little light theft, a replica WW2 firearm, and disguise material such as a blonde wig and Halloween mask. This is fantastic. Charges. At the time of her arrest, Heather Bevere, a convicted felon with 11 prior convictions, wow, including armed robbery and identity theft, was booked into Pierce Jail on $25,000 bond. Her initial charges included unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon, attempted burglary, criminal impersonation for the UPS disguise, and possession of burglary tools. As the most recent public reports, the case was still in charging pretrial pleas. There's no widely available public records indicating a final deal, trial verdict, or sentencing deal, which is not uncommon for felony cases of this complexity that's less than a year old. Yeah, let's see if we can. Yes. Yes. Please look for any court records or court filings. I am interested in more detail about where this is procedurally. Also, assuming guilt of the charges and given her prior background, what mandatory minimums apply, and what do the sentencing guidelines say is her likely punishment. Great. Yeah, no, repeat charges definitely make any defense extremely problematic, as in basically impossible. What am I going to do? Argumental? I mean, come on. A specific serial case number does not appear in the immediate public snippets. This is common for arrests less than a month old. It's formal arrangement. She's currently held in Pierce Jail. Washington State uses a strict grid system for felonies based on 2 factors. Score is 9+, maximum. She mentioned she has 11 prior convictions, including armed robbery and identity theft. In Washington, SCAP's at 9s or more. That means she immediately faces the harshest possible sentencing standard. Here's a breakdown of prison time she faces for 2 primary felonies, assuming a guilt verdict. Unlawful possession of firearm in the first degree, Class B felony. Standard range, 7.25 to 9.6 years. Attempted residential burglary, probably 4 to 5 years. Yeah, be absorbed in a longer sentence. Mandatory minimum, firearm enhancement. Because she was armed with a gun during commission of a felony, that will add a sentencing enhancement of 3 years to hard time. So that's 3 additional years on top. So that would be still within the range. So you're still looking, well, because it's on top, you're still looking at, I'm not sure how that would work in terms of time. So you're still probably within the range. Total sentence, 87 to 116 months plus the enhancement. So 10.5 to 12.6 years in prison. And they have a Persistent Accountability Act because 3 strikes. The prosecutor's uprated to burglary in the first degree because she was armed. You're convicted of that because she already has 2 strikes. she would receive mandatory of life without parole. But it is possible. So 10 to 12 years or life, depending on whether we can get her for being a habitual offender, which with the 11 prior convictions, I would think. So yeah, that's what we're looking at. 10 years or life, one of those two options. So yeah. Yeah. She deserves it. Yeah, it was just a gun I found. I didn't know it was real, I swear. As a judge, I'm like, I still don't care. I didn't think it was real. Also, she had another gun in her truck, in addition to other things she stole. So yeah, we can convict her of actual burglary. Yeah, forget attempt. Yeah, I forget attempt. We don't need attempt. We got actual burglary. We've got the stuff she stole in the truck. Remember, we got like the stamps and shit? Yeah, all we have to do is figure out which house it came from. Should be easy enough. I'm sure there's a police report on it somewhere. Yeah, we got her for actual burglary. Yeah, forget attempt. We got her for burglary. She clearly broke into a house to get those things, right? I mean, obviously, duh, right? So yeah, forget attempt. We got actual burglary. Fuck this. Yeah. How's that change it? Oh, it just makes it easier to convict her of the burglary. Yeah, because we were like, for a moment, they were like, oh, for a moment in my head, I was like, can we get to, in my internal head, I was debating like the viability of charging her with attempt for technical reasons. Like, I was like, I didn't say it out loud, but in my head, I was like, there are some minor questions. Like, can we really get to attempt? Right? Because there's some problems there. But it's like, yeah, I don't need attempt anymore because I've got actual burglary. So it's like, I just forgot for a moment. I was like, oh, I have actual burglary, so I don't need to worry about it anymore. Oh, great. So that just makes my conviction from slightly challenging to assured. So yeah, sorry about that. Kind of forgot about it for a second. Just kind of forgot about it for a second. Yeah. So like, oh, okay. Yeah. So she's stupid and she's going to jail and she deserves to go to jail. And I dare say no reasonable juror would believe her. I just found the gun. I swear. I just found it. And also found the gun, also found the World War II replica gun that's also in your car. Just happened to find those. Yeah. Just found the gun. I swear. I didn't know it's real. Yeah. Yeah. So good times. So the cops were 100% in the right in this situation. Good cops. They're 100% in the right. And this is the beauty of body cams because it's funny. It's funny because it was Black Lives Matter who were really pushing for body cams. And now, actually, if you hear the current rhetoric, they're actually pushing against body cams because the body cams wound up revealing the cops are right most of the time. Right? So it backfired because Black Lives Matter believed that there was like all this racism inherent and the cops were very, very bad. But the vast, 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 vast majority of body cams show the cops are in the right. Occasionally it shows they fucked up. So it's not like it never happens. It does happen where the cops fucked up. But the vast majority of the time, yeah, it's like, oh no, the cops were in the right. And so, yeah. And we do enjoy watching the cops bust some stupid. So that was enjoyable. And her defense lawyer has massive problems. Basically, it's impossible. So if I'm her defense lawyer, I'm kind of just going through the motions. If I'm her defense lawyer, I'm going through the motions, and I take comfort in the fact that I'm going home at the end of the day. So that's good for me, right? I get paid, she gets shish kebabbed, and I get to go home. So that's a win. So, yeah. It's also a really good day for me as a defense lawyer because I don't have to do very much. I'm just gonna sit there and let her be steamed rolled because I don't have anything to work with. So I'm just gonna sit there and, you know, say some bullshit during close and know we're doomed. It's okay. It's okay. It works out well for me. Oh well. Yeah. So all those things. All right, guys. I have actual work to do. I have a video to produce and I have a motion to file and some other shit. Oh, I'm looking trim these days. Thank you. I've been going to the gym, as some of you guys well know. I posted my 1,000-pound lift recently for the big 3. So that's good. I'm going back to the gym again. I will be honest with you in the sake of, I like talking about my workouts, so you'll forgive me for a moment. Let me be honest with you for a moment. I've been having a little trouble getting back into it recently. I'm not sure what it's due to. Could be due to the weather, because I don't respond well to weather changes. So it could be that. But last couple times I've been in the gym, I've just not been feeling it. And so I've only done a half workout. Yesterday I did 1 exercise and then left. I just did 1 thing of the 6 I was scheduled to do and I left. Or the other day I did 3 of 6. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm not feeling it. But I'm still going to the gym and trying to power through. So I'm still trying to get something done, which is, still a win. But I've been a little bit off my lifting game recently. I'm not sure what that's all about, but I'm trying. But, you do what you do and you try to fight another day. I even had a Red Bull before my workout yesterday and I was still not feeling it. So it's yeah. So I don't know, man. Yeah. So yeah. Something is a little off. But that's okay. I think I need to reduce the weights or something and work my way back up. I think I need to cut the weights down and do some easier lifting for a while. So I think that's what I'm going to do next. I think I'm going to go to the gym and just cut my lifts way down and give myself a bit of a break and work my way back up. I think that makes sense. In any event, thank you. The workouts at the gym have been going well and we're continuing to power through. And so that's all fun. And I appreciate that. And I still want to get super swole. I'm not at super swole status yet, but I have dreams. So we'll see. I'm a long way from swole. I know I am. Although, to be honest, I'm not quite double chinning it as much as I used to. I mean, I still got a double chin, but it's not as bad as it was. It's getting better. It's getting better. Progress has been made. We'll continue to work on it. Also, the new haircut isn't hurting, I have to say, because my hair was looking like shit recently. I long overdone. I had waited way too long for a haircut. So I definitely need a haircut. So I got a haircut cut yesterday. So that's making me feel a bit more beautiful today. Now I don't feel like a slovenly ass. So I got that going for me. Yeah, all that good stuff. But, we'll keep pressing on as we do. So anyways, I've been on civil law and I'll talk to you later. Cheers for now.